Welcome back to Sam Official Tech. In today's video, we're exploring one of the most disruptive and transformative technologies of our time, blockchain. While most people associate blockchain with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the truth is that blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries far beyond finance. From healthcare and logistics to supply chain management and voting systems, blockchain is changing how we store, share, and verify data securely and transparently. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how blockchain works and explore how it's being applied across various industries. So, let's dive in and unravel the future of blockchain. Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that ensures security, transparency, and immutability. Unlike traditional centralized databases controlled by a single entity, a blockchain is distributed across a network of nodes. Each transaction is grouped into a block, which is then added to a chain of previous blocks, creating a permanent and unchangeable record. This system makes blockchain particularly valuable in industries where security, trust, and transparency are crucial. While blockchain technology gained prominence through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, its applications in the finance industry go much deeper. Blockchain has the potential to streamline payments, reduce fraud, and provide faster, more secure cross-border transactions. Decentralized finance is also emerging as a major trend, offering financial services such as loans, savings, and insurance without traditional banks. Smart contracts, powered by blockchain, enable self-executing agreements that trigger automatically when certain conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and speeding up transactions. One of the most promising uses of blockchain is in supply chain management, where it can provide a transparent and traceable record of goods as they move from origin to destination. Blockchain ensures that all parties involved, from manufacturers to consumers, have access to real-time information about the status of products. This reduces fraud, increases accountability, and improves trust between parties. For example, in the food industry, blockchain can be used to track the journey of food from farm to table, ensuring product authenticity and safety. In healthcare, blockchain is being used to secure and streamline the management of patient data. Traditionally, healthcare data is stored in centralized systems, making it vulnerable to breaches and errors. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized solution that ensures data integrity, making it accessible only to authorized parties while maintaining a secure and immutable record. This can lead to improved patient care, better coordination among healthcare providers, and enhanced security for sensitive medical records. Additionally, blockchain can help in clinical trials by ensuring data transparency and trustworthiness. Voting systems around the world have long faced challenges such as fraud, hacking, and lack of transparency. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way elections are conducted by providing a secure and transparent method of recording votes. With blockchain, each vote is recorded in a tamper-proof ledger, making it nearly impossible to alter or manipulate the results. Voters can also verify that their vote was counted correctly, increasing trust in the electoral process. Several countries and organizations are already exploring blockchain-based voting systems to enhance democratic processes. The real estate industry has traditionally been bogged down by complex processes, involving multiple intermediaries, paperwork, and long transaction times. Blockchain technology offers a solution by streamlining the buying, selling, and renting of property through the use of smart contracts. These contracts automatically execute transactions once predetermined conditions are met, eliminating the need for third parties like lawyers and brokers. Additionally, blockchain can provide a transparent and secure record of property ownership, reducing fraud and speeding up transactions. In the digital age, protecting intellectual property has become increasingly difficult, with issues such as piracy and unauthorized use of creative works being rampant. Blockchain can offer a solution by providing an immutable record of ownership and use of digital assets. Artists, musicians, and creators can register their works on a blockchain, ensuring that they maintain control over their content. Smart contracts can also be used to automate royalty payments and enforce licensing agreements, ensuring that creators are fairly compensated for their work. The logistics industry is another sector where blockchain is making waves. By providing a transparent and tamper-proof record of shipments, blockchain can improve the efficiency of global supply chains. With blockchain, companies can track the movement of goods in real time, verify the authenticity of products, and reduce paperwork. This is particularly valuable in industries such as pharmaceuticals, where counterfeit products can have serious consequences. By improving traceability and transparency, blockchain is helping logistics companies save time and money while reducing the risk of fraud. Blockchain is also transforming the energy sector by enabling peer-to-peer energy trading. With blockchain, individuals and companies can trade excess energy, such as electricity generated by solar panels, directly with others on a decentralized network. This reduces reliance on traditional energy providers and creates a more sustainable and efficient energy system. Blockchain also enables the tracking of energy consumption and production, allowing for more transparent and accurate billing. In the future, blockchain could play a key role in creating decentralized energy grids. In the entertainment industry, blockchain is changing the way content is distributed and consumed. Traditionally, artists and creators rely on intermediaries, such as record labels or streaming platforms, to distribute their work and earn revenue. Blockchain technology enables artists to distribute their content directly to consumers, cutting out the middlemen and ensuring that they receive a fair share of the profits. Blockchain also provides a transparent record of how content is used, ensuring that artists are compensated for their work. Smart contracts are one of the most significant innovations enabled by blockchain technology. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are written directly into code. Once the conditions of the contract are met, the contract automatically executes without the need for intermediaries. This has huge implications for industries like law, finance, and real estate, where contracts are a fundamental part of doing business. Smart contracts can speed up transactions, reduce costs, and ensure that agreements are honored without the need for third-party enforcement. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is more important than ever, with data breaches and cyberattacks becoming increasingly common. Blockchain technology offers a new approach to cybersecurity by providing a decentralized and tamper-proof system for storing data. Unlike traditional centralized systems, where a single point of failure can be exploited by hackers, blockchain's distributed nature makes it much more difficult to attack. Blockchain can also be used to authenticate devices and users, reducing the risk of identity theft and fraud. The insurance industry is often criticized for being slow and inefficient, particularly when it comes to processing claims. Blockchain can streamline the claims process by automating it through the use of smart contracts. These contracts can automatically trigger payments when certain conditions are met, such as in the case of a natural disaster or car accident. Blockchain also provides a transparent and secure record of all transactions, reducing fraud and ensuring that claims are processed fairly and efficiently. While blockchain technology has the potential to transform industries, it also raises concerns about its environmental impact. Many blockchain networks, particularly those based on proof-of-work algorithms like Bitcoin, consume vast amounts of energy. However, newer blockchain networks are exploring more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, such as proof-of-stake POS and delegated proof-of-stake DPoS, which reduce the energy required to validate transactions. As the technology evolves, finding a balance between blockchain's benefits and its environmental footprint will be crucial. Decentralized applications, or DApps, are software applications that run on blockchain networks rather than centralized servers. These applications can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from gaming and social media to finance and data storage. Because they run on blockchain, DApps are secure, transparent, and resistant to censorship. Developers are increasingly exploring the potential of DApps to create new business models and services that are free from the control of centralized platforms. One of the most promising applications of blockchain is in the charity sector, where transparency and trust are paramount. By using blockchain, charitable organizations can ensure that donations are tracked and used for their intended purposes. Donors can follow their contributions from start to finish, ensuring that their money is being used effectively. Blockchain can also reduce administrative costs and increase the efficiency of charitable organizations, allowing more funds to go directly to those in need. As we look to the future, it's clear that blockchain technology has the potential to transform industries across the board. However, there are still challenges to overcome, such as scalability, regulation, and energy consumption. Despite these challenges, the benefits of blockchain are undeniable. With ongoing research and development, blockchain technology could become a fundamental part of our digital infrastructure, creating a more secure, transparent, and decentralized world. Thank you for watching. Blockchain is still in its early stages, but its potential to reshape industries is immense. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Sam Official Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in tech and innovation. We'll see you in the next video as we continue exploring the exciting future of technology.